how to use Robinhood for day trading. So basically, what you're gonna have to do is simply download the Robinhood app on your mobile device. Now, keep in mind that Robinhood is available only in the United States for now, but as you can see, they released an app which is Robinhood Crypto, which allows you to trade crypto even if you are in Europe. So basically, the app is pretty similar with the one from US where you can trade stocks. So on that app you can trade crypto and stocks, and on this one here you can only trade crypto if you are in Europe or any other countries in the world. So you're gonna have to simply download the app, and then you're gonna have to simply create a free account. Now once you verify your account, you're gonna have to simply fund your account with money, and then you're gonna have to simply either choose to sell crypto or you're gonna have to simply buy crypto. So this is how you can day trading on Robinhood. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.